Hello everyone, Dot Diversity welcomes you all in your own channel. Today we will answer the two basic questions. They are getting very much viral in the entire social media, that who is Jeffrey Epstein and what are Epstein files? Dear audience, Jeffrey Epstein was American born financier. He was born in 1953 and died in 2019. Interestingly, basically, he was a mathematics teacher. Later on, he became a financier. The question is how he got a financier. He launched a business firm where he had access to the accounts of lots of elite people, rich people, billionaires. He used to handle their accounts. He used to give them the tricks how to avoid the taxes, and in this way he had earned a lot of money, and he had lot of connection with the people like leaders and the politicians and the showbiz girls. And he had appointed one girl. The name was Maxwell. Maxwell is the prime culprit of this entire scandal of Jeffrey Epstein. She is in the jail, and there she is having 20 years sentence. Now come to the Jeffrey Epstein, that he used to exploit the girls, minor girls, and he used to trap them through different tactics. He used to blackmail them, and for decades he kept on doing his evil actions. But anyhow, he was caught by the US police in 2005 on the complaint of a 14-year girl. Later on, he was given a sentence of certain months, I think 13 months or somehow, he was released. But later on, again, he was arrested in 2019, and the entire investigation opened the 3 million files regarding his criminal acts of exploiting minor girls. And this scandal became viral, in which so many rich people, famous people, including leaders, businessmen, scientists, psychologists, professors, and you cannot imagine that the list of the people they were involved in the connection of Jeffrey Epstein's minor girls exploitation. Jeffrey Epstein in 2019 died in jail during trial. After his death, so many survivors, victim girls. There's a huge list of girls whom this Jeffrey Epstein directly or indirectly exploited. A number of girls came forward, spoke out openly against the Jeffrey Epstein's criminal acts, and the entire Pandora box opened and has gone viral these days. Now we come to Jeffrey Epstein files. Jeffrey Epstein files is the collection of 3 million, imagine, 3 million documents in form of footages, emails, lawsuit documents, interviews, videos, and all type of emails, communications with the different people. They show the connection or the nexus of Jeffrey Epstein regarding exploiting innocent minor girls. There is a huge list of the girls. The US Department of Justice is now releasing and showing how they are related to Jeffrey Epstein's scandal. US Department of Justice has uploaded number of files on their website, and as a public document you can upload them from the website and review them, analyze them. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, share the video,